Hello, everybody. I'm Mauro Goia. We continue our project, Your World of Music, for RD88. Today, we speak about supernatural pianos and supernatural electric pianos. Supernatural technology is a very exclusive Roland technology that gives to your performances a realism never heard before. The sound modeling reacts to your dynamic nuances and style of playing, translating it into a very pure and natural sound response. There are no sound steps in the samples, no sound differences among the various velocities you play. Of course, all samples come from the finest acoustic concert grand pianos. Performing a crescendo or a diminuendo, it's so natural and effective. Let's try. Thanks to the keyboard with escapement, it's so easy and natural to play fast and repeated notes. But let's play a song, experiencing in real time the natural response of supernatural technology to your performance. The supernatural technology is also applied to electric pianos. Let's play something. You can also combine piano with other sound, creating some layers. Of course, you can add to your sound effects in real time. Here, we are using the reverb. And here we are using a beautiful delay. want to finish with a very special classic song. Now, our RD88 will perform as a solo piano in the great Concerto number 1 for orchestra and pianoforte in B flat minor by Piotr Ilyich Tchaikovsky. So, let's imagine a big stage, a big symphonic orchestra, and our RD88 in the middle as a solo piano. Enjoy supernatural sound!